This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paul Fonseca. Presenting the highly sought-after Iris floor plan in the gated community of Botanica Lakes, this price to sell and motivated seller opportunity is the one buyers have been waiting for. This smart home offers nearly 2,800 square feet of beautifully designed living space with 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and the added peace of mind with concrete block all the way up, a rare feature not found in many homes within the community. While not in a flood zone, this exceptional residence combines luxury, functionality, and resort-style living in one incredible package. Step inside and immediately notice the soaring ceilings, crown molding, elegant LVP flooring, and spacious open-concept layout designed for both comfortable everyday living and entertaining. The chef-inspired kitchen is truly the heart of the home, showcasing wood cabinetry, quartz countertops, stylish backsplash, pantry, newer appliances, and seamless flow into the breakfast nook and oversized family room. A convenient first-floor bedroom and full bath provide the perfect setup for guests, multi-generational living, or a private home office, while additional storage under the stairs maximizes functionality. Upstairs, the spacious primary suite offers a relaxing retreat complete with dual sinks, soaking tub, updated shower, and remote-controlled blinds. Additional guest bedrooms provide generous space for family and visitors alike. Recent upgrades include newer air conditioner, newer water heater, 4 elegant chandeliers, whole house water system, garage storage racks, widened driveway, accordion hurricane shutters on all windows, and a roll-down lanai screen for added convenience and protection. Step outside into your own private tropical oasis featuring a heated saltwater pool, fenced backyard, and spacious screened lanai perfect for enjoying the Southwest Florida lifestyle year-round. Living in Botanica Lakes means enjoying vacation-style amenities with low-maintenance convenience, including lawn care, high-speed internet, cable, alarm monitoring, exterior pest control, resort-style pool and spa, fitness center, tennis and pickleball courts, basketball, splash pad, tot lot, community room, and a 24-hour manned gate, all surrounded by over 100 acres of lakes and preserves. Conveniently located near Southwest Florida International Airport, beaches, shopping, dining, schools, and I-75, this home truly offers the best of Southwest Florida living. For more information, review the details below.